Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix no device drivers were found error when installing Windows 11. Let's get started. First, make sure you're using a reliable USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage. Recreate the bootable USB using either the Rufus tool or the official Microsoft Media Creation tool. Now, restart your computer. You can usually do this by pressing F2 or Escape right after powering on your PC. Once you're in, go to the installation screen and click on Troubleshoot. Here you will see advanced options, and then click on Command Prompt. Now type the following commands one by one. Type disk part and press Enter. Next, type list disk and press Enter. Then type select disk 0, make sure it's your main drive, and press Enter. After that, type clean and press Enter. Finally, type exit and press Enter. Close the command prompt window. Next, choose Turn off your PC, then click on Next, and select Install Now. When asked for a product key, click on Don't have a product key. Select Windows 10 Pro or the edition you prefer, then click Next. Check I accept the license terms and click Next again. Now choose Custom, Install Windows Only, Advanced, select Drive 0 Partition 1, then click Next. And that's it. Your Windows installation should now continue without the driver error. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.